We are challenging ourselves with our most ambitious overlanding expedition, 6 weeks on the road, staying in our rooftop tent as we travel over 5,000 kilometres from Sydney, New South Wales to the vast semi-arid outback in South Australia. Can we survive living in our car for that long? Or will we find ourselves abandoning our car and booking flights back to Sydney? We have travelled over 1,000 kilometres from Sydney to come here to do the Robe to Beachport track. The sun is out, the sky is blue, the water is even more blue, and we are so excited to hit the dunes and start driving.
Even with all the precautions we had taken, it would be a lie to say that we weren't nervous. We had let down our tire pressures to 15 psi and had all the necessary recovery gear, shovel, max tracks, and recovery ropes.
On to the start of the track, we realized the opportunity to get lost presents itself in so many places. Here, Google Maps unfortunately does not cut it, and the other maps we had seen online were outdated, giving us directions that cut through private property. A good old-fashioned paper map from the tourist centre was our saving grace. Our over-reliance on digital maps and the skills from map reading and high school geography now forgotten meant that even with the paper map, getting lost was still on the cards.
Driving on sand dunes is an experience most four-wheel drive enthusiasts get in small doses. The Robe to Beachport track runs over 50 kilometers along the limestone coast, traversing over multiple beaches, sand dunes, and dense shrubs. This is both a treat and a challenge.
As the clock approached midday, the track got busy and chopped up. This increased the chance of getting bogged. When driving, momentum is your friend, helping you float over the sand. It's important to be gentle, going easy on the gas, brakes, and steering, or you'll dig yourself in deeper. Most of the beach runs were stunning lunch spots, but unfortunately, due to the conditions, we had to be strategic about where and how we stopped. We found a small secluded beach for lunch and enjoyed the beautiful South Australian sun.
The Robe to Beachport four-wheel drive track is a challenge that pushed us beyond our comfort zone, but rewarded us with a sense of accomplishment like no other. Every twist and turn of this coastal adventure presented a new challenge, forcing us to adapt, improvise, and overcome obstacles. It's a reminder that embracing challenges, pushing boundaries, and stepping outside of your comfort zone is where true growth happens. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and